We've officially entered the second half of 2026 and I have an idea for you guys on how to spend the rest of the year. If you play shamisen or any other instrument really, and you ever thought, I don't feel like I'm getting any better, then this is for you. Here's the thing. If you practice regularly, it can feel as if you're not really making any progress. This Monday feels like last Monday. Last month feels like this month, and somehow you start wondering if you're making any progress at all. You are. You do just not have proof yet. And this is about to change. Here's what I want you to try out. Pick 2 pieces you're working on, and it doesn't matter where you are at with those pieces. And then every Monday for the rest of the year, hit record. 1 take, that's all. You can play the whole piece or just one section that you're working on at the moment, and that's it. It's a good idea to warm up a little bit beforehand, but don't make it a whole session. Don't do 5 takes, but just do 1. This is not about perfection. You want to get a snapshot of where you are right now on this Monday. That's the challenge. I'm calling it 26 Mondays because that's how many Mondays are left for the rest of the year. Now, how and why does it actually work? Well, in December, you'll have the July recordings to look back on. You'll be surprised how different you sound. And the improvement that has been invisible all this time, you'll finally hear it. And along the way, something else happens. You get used to recording yourself. In the beginning, it can be a little awkward. I hated it so much, but after a while, it's just the thing that you do on Mondays. And recording yourself is a skill that's really super helpful. And you will start catching stuff in playback that you can't really hear while you're playing. Tempo, intonation, little things. And then you can work on those things in your next session. So what happens if you miss a Monday? Well, nothing happens. Just do it the next Monday. What happens if you miss a whole month though? Well, you're still in, just keep going. This is not about getting a perfect streak or something like that. The goal is to get a bundle of recordings of yourself. Whether it be 26 or 10, you will have something that you did not have before. And it will be awesome. For those of you who don't know, I'm running a shamisen community called Shamisen-Zentrale. That's German. I'm German. And we're doing the challenge over at Patreon and on our Discord. So on Discord, there will be a dedicated channel for the challenge where you can upload your videos and get feedback, ask questions, support other people, and get support from other people. And you can have a little peek at what other people are doing, which is very interesting. If you want, you can also send your recordings to me every week, and I will make a compilation at the end of the year so you have a chronological overview over your progress and your journey. This last special service part is for my Patreon supporters only, but the challenge itself is for everyone. Just pick 2 pieces and start recording on July 6th. If you're in, please leave a comment with the 2 pieces that you chose, because I'm very curious to see what everyone is choosing. I'll pick Spain and Sugado Ondo. See you on Monday.